Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share and transfer your CapCut projects from your files and not from the app. So let's go back to homepage real quick. For instance, I want to share that project. I will go to the settings tab here and I will go to settings again. Then I'm going to copy this file path. Copy, and then I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to press enter. Select the project that you want to share and just copy and paste it, or we'll send it through email and via something else if you like to. I don't know, but that's how you can basically share your project through files. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.